Sorkar jela hakasni baar kalapin bana bantauno daki coordination committee hakishnong khaput bantem ya gajing yasngo pherjing mut hapdeng kinong songshnong bat kisipai ya da khaput border security force ya kani lapin tip daw director general of police kamikhalia u dr lr bishnoi hadin gajing lang bat usimbut menteri rang ba kajela ba president tensong u khmi ya katanat kampo yin hakajing don lang u inspector general BSF Meghalaya frontier Kani kalami hadin arsni kajing sha thambor u doctor ke animal husbandry and veterinary ha kishipai BSF ha amlarem kaba poisho upod kajing pha lawling khoj ya ki jan bat berngem ru ban set yap ya uni u doctor habaya kran chikilat pathai khobor u dr lr bishnoi ulayathu baya ki coordination committee on clear ki subdivisional officer ha kajing don lang ki SDPO ki company commander ke BSF ki pulit ke jilla bar ki yalam shnong bat kini ki committee kin hapan shong lang man ubnai
Incident which has happened on the border. The issue has been resolved yesterday only, and that also very amicably, and that was an unfortunate incident. The rest of the instructions will be given by the deputy CM. That has been alleged by that person, and we are inquiring into the issue. And given the background of the discipline of the force, given the morale and motivation of the force, given the other aspects of the force, sensitivity of the area, everything will be taken care of. See, like the things are under process, and already, as I had told you, that yesterday everything was sorted out with Dr. Boam and with the local NGOs, with the local headmen, with the local civilians, with the police force out there, with the SDO out there, and our company commanders. All were present at the Almaram place, and it has been sorted out amicably. And we assure you that in future and till now also, we have been working for the welfare of the people, and we will keep on working for the welfare of the people.
That was unfortunate incident where the veterinary surgeon was allegedly misbehaved by BSF personnel. There was a communication gap because of some local language problems or maybe other reasons. So Honorable Home Minister has called a meeting of the IG BSF. I also attended, and from Home Department, Additional Chief Secretary and Home Secretary, they were in the meeting. So basically we discussed not only about that incident but about earlier incidents also, and we have decided that the coordination committee involving the police, civil administrations and the BSF will be constituted at sub-divisional level, and every month they will organize one meeting, and where the community leaders will be invited as special invitee to attend meeting, so that the trust and understanding can be strengthened between the people of the border villages and the BSF. BSF is also inquiring into the matter, and today IG BSF has assured us that I will go into the detail, and once after inquiry, once he will submit the report, then we will think about the action to it. Be not aware what they have told earlier or clarified before the media. I am not aware, but today we have discussed about that, and they agreed that such kind of incident will not be repeated at all. That is one, he has given us assurance. And secondly, whatever exactly happened, they will look into the entire incident, and to overcome the mistrust and misunderstanding, this coordination will be strengthened.
Ting lai song meeting mentan ka janmit apo kang jonga akaba ngakwa banyo ya detailed report ya to jingjia hakineki kendiat sngi menchi sngi ba sngi ba je chathi chatai ni makapur ti hadin mengelai kren ni la ya yo i report detail den rei ka basung tunat kolong ba menit hapo angte hapo amlarem kadon ka meeting hakaba lakon bin dau STO civil jong ka amlarem hakaba ya don lang nak liang jong ki BSF la don lang ru nak liang ki bor snong ki bor thau nak liang jong ki police te kilari resolve ya kan issue ya ki differences porok hoi menta kam don ka issue te ngam ko achu ban batai ya kata den rei ka ka ba ngachim ni karai mentakas ni kalong ba nang di sekmat namar kum kini ki jajing jia kila ban jia nakapor syapor kum bakala jia menchua bat kala jia men kini ki kendiat ni lesi yo kan jia shu te ngalashim ya karai haga ban nakaliang jong ka BSF ru nakaliang YG obar represent nakaliang jong ki BSF ru kila menjur ba kan donno ka coordination committee kabagi ong ka standing coordination committee haparo ki area jong kaneka border hapdeng ka Bangladesh pat India hakaba ki SDO civil jong ki tu ki jaka kinlong ki chairman jong kanika coordination committee nangta USDPO nakaliang ki polis undai ulong member nangta susu company commander jong ki BSF kinlong ki member but kumju ru nakaliang kinong sensasnong ki bahap hakitu ki area kinlong kit khot jong kanika committee hakaba kin ya kren ya ki issue ki bapher but ba kin ya resolve ane kin find out ya kalanti ka ba so tanat khanang ba kanung don kondo ki jing ya so thuk bakla hang yang tai kham tam hapdeng ki paidbah bat ki BSF lani hapdeng jong ki BSF bat ki police jong ka state police jong ka Sorkar ka jingiro tinglai sim ngarai hakaba lasai lani lesiski ka negro notification ka sami rengkat bat ki terms of reference na ka benta kanika coordination committee hakaba kan sedang no sundon ban syong halaki jong ke jaka kumangoi pi ban like kini ki aka ki jingjia ki basongsi nang ni semat